Hello everyone. So today I'm going to discuss with you solutions of 5 puzzles which I came across this last month in the month of March 2021. I came across last month. You might have come across earlier, but it's good to know the solution. So let's see those puzzles. So the first one is, so here you have a sequence of number and you have to tell me what is the next number. So you have 1, then 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 and all these things. So pause the video and think what will be the answer. If you can get the answer, you can comment in the comment section. Otherwise, what do you think what this answer will be? Like usually when I shared with this my students, some said okay 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 and this one as it is. But then 2 plus 1 is 3 and there is no 3 over here, so this addition trick was not working. Then again you see the 1 1 is over here and this are reversed, but then again that trick was not working. So I got many patterns, but then none of them could get the right answer except few. So if you observe carefully, here you have 1, then you have 1 times 1, then this 1 and 1 how many times? 2 times 1. Then this is what? 1 times 2, and this is what? 1 times 1. Then what is this one? It is 1 times 1, 1 times 2 and 2 times 1. Then come here, 3 times 1, 2 times 2 and 1 times 1. And now you can see the pattern, right? This is 1 times 3, this is 1 times 1, this is 2 times 2 and this is 2 times 1. So obviously if you follow the same pattern, this is 1 times 1, then 1 times 3, then 2 times 1, sorry 1 times 3, 2 times 1, then 3 times 2 and 1 times 1. So yeah, that's the answer for this puzzle. Okay, and now you can keep on writing what will be the next terms. So that's the answer. Let me stop this puzzle by asking one more question. Will 4 will ever come in this sequence? If yes, then at what step? If no, then why no? So that's the point to you think on. So let's go for the second puzzle. This is called as half puzzle. So you have to give me a number which when added to half and which when multiplied to half gives the same number. So usually when people see this thing, they started taking the number. So they take 1. So 1 into half is half, but 1 into half is half plus, but 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So obviously 1 will not work. Then they took 2, 3, 4. So none of them worked. Then people tried with minus 1. So if you try with minus 1, so if you add minus 1 to half, you get minus half, and you multiply minus 1 to half, you get minus half. So minus 1 is the answer. But this was by trial and error. Suppose if I ask you after this, is there any other number which satisfies this property? Then answer is no. But then if the answer is no, you should prove that minus 1 is the only number. So how do you prove? So let x be a number. Okay, so x be that number which satisfies this property. Which property? X when multiplied by half is equal to x when added to half. So what is this? X by 2. You bring this x on the left hand side. And what is x minus half? X by 2 minus x. It is minus 1 by 2x equal to 1 by 2. And when you multiply by 2, you get x equal to minus 1. So thus minus 1 is the only number that satisfies both the conditions. Okay, so the third one is not a puzzle, but it's a fact. But then it's worth looking this fact. So 2 and 5 are the only prime numbers that ends in 2 and 5. There is no other prime number that will end at itself. And it's obvious, right? Because 2 is a prime number. What are other numbers that ends in 2? Those will be 12, 22, 32, 42, 52 and so on. But none of them will be prime, right? Because all of them are even numbers. So 2 is the only prime number. 2 is a prime number that ends in 2. There is no other prime number that will ends in 2. Similarly with 5. What are the other numbers that ends in 5? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55 and so on. But none of them are prime because they are multiple of 5. So 2 and 5 are the prime numbers that will end in 2 and 5. What about others? If I take 3, is 3 the only prime number that ends in 3? No, you have one more. 13 is also a prime number that ends in 3. So therefore 3 is not here. Okay, there are others, but it's okay. I want at least one. Then 2, 3, 5, then comes 7. What about 7? 17 is there, which is also a prime and that ends in 7. So therefore 7 is also not here. And then 9 is not a prime. So therefore 2 and 5 are the only prime that ends in 2 and 5. Okay, so yeah, this was the third fact. Let's go for the fourth one. So here is another puzzle which I received on WhatsApp. So if 1 is 5, 2 is equal to 25, 3 is 325, 4 is 4325, then what is 5 equal to? And when I showed it to my friend, he said, okay, 5, then you have 2 times 5, then you attach 3 to this, so 3 to 5, then you attach 4 to this, so 4, 3 to 5, and for 5 you attach 5 to this, so 5, 4, 3 to 5. That's what people usually do in a hurry. They always try to get the pattern. Okay, but that's not the case over here. If you observe carefully the first step, what is your 5 equal to? 5 equal to 1. So the answer is 1. It's not 5, 4, 3 to 5 because you're assigning 1 the value 5. So the answer is 5 equal to 1. Okay, let's go for the last one. So here is the last puzzle. So you have to tell me which is the number missing over here. So usually when people see picture in this way, they just think that 16, 06, 68, 88, and then which number will be here and then 98. Well, many times you need to reverse your view to get the answer, and that's the same thing we are going to do here. So here I simply rotate it by 180 degree, and now here you can see clearly the first number is 88, then 86, then blank, 88, 89, 90 and 91. So now you can easily tell the answer is 87. Okay, so sometimes, many times in life also, you need to change your view and you will get the answers. So I hope you liked all the 5 puzzles. If there are any other puzzles whose solution you want to know, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to give you the answer. And if you like the video, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.